1 6 plus 5 9. Now to add fractions, the first step is we need to find the common denominator. So in another word, we need to make the bottom the same. At the moment, they're different. So what we need to do, we need to find the common denominator. So we just add this first. Now to find the common denominator, so what we need to do, we find the lowest common multiple of these two numbers here. So 6 and 9. Now to find the lowest common multiple, what we do, if you know, you can of course write it out. So if you don't, we'll list the number out. So this is just list the multiple of 6 first. So 6, 12, 18, 24, and 30, and so on. So for 9, I list the 9. The next one is 18. I stop because 18 here and 18 here as well. So this means that the common denominator is 18. So we write 18 here and 18 here. Now we know that from 6 to 18, we times this by 3. So the top must times by 3. So 1 times 3 is 3. Now from 9 to 18, so 9 to 18 is times by 2. So the top times 2 as well. So 5 times 2 is 10. So now we just add the numerator, just the top, because the bottom the same now. So 3 plus 10 is 13. So the answer is 13 over 18. 3 8 plus 1 6. So we need to make the bottom the same. So we list the multiple of 8 and 6 to find the common denominator. So to do this, I just list the 8 out first. So 8, 16, 24. So you can see 24 is multiple of 6 and you can stop there. If you're not sure, so what you do, you list the 6 out as well. 6, 12, 18, 24. See, you can see that they're both the same. So we just write 24 here. We add 24 down here as well. Now, from 8 to 24, so we know that it is times by 3 because 8 times 3 is 24. So the top must times by 3 as well. So 3 times 3 is 9. So just write this down. Now from 6 to this here, 24, we times by 4 because 6 times 4 is 24. So therefore, this must times by 4 as well. So 1 times 4 is 4. So now the bottom the same. So we just add the top. So 9 plus 4 is 13. So the bottom is just 24. So 13 over 24. This one here, 7 over 9 plus 5 over 12. Now to do this, I just list the largest number first. So which is 12, 24, 36. So we stop here because 36 is multiple of 9. Because 9 times 4 is 36. So I just write this down. So 36, you add 36. Now if you cannot see 36 is multiple of 9, so you can list the 9 out as well. List until you can find the lowest common multiple. So 9, 18, 27, and 36. See? So you can see there. So now from 9 to 36, we times this by 4. So therefore, the top must times by 4 as well. So 7 times 4 is 28. And then from 12 to 36, you times this by 3. So the top must times by 3 as well. So 5 times 3 is 15. So now we just add this up. So 28 plus 15. So just go 28 add 15. So 8 plus 5 is 13. You write 3, 13. You write 3 and then carry 1. So 1 plus 2 is 3 plus 1 is 4. So 43. So 43 over 36. But then 43 over 36 is an improper fraction, so we need to write in mixed numeral. So 36 go to 43 is 1. So to find the remainder, so we just go for 1 times 36 is 36. So 43 minus 36. If you think about it, 40 minus 36 is 4. Add 3 is 7. So the remainder is 7 out of 36. 4 over 15 plus 5 over 6. So we just list the multiple of 15 out. So 15, the next one is 15, and the next one is 30. Then you know that 30 is multiple of 6. Otherwise, you list a couple more. Let's say 45 is the next one. And then for 6, so 6, 12, 18, 24, 30. We stop. See, you can see it here. So you go 30. So it's 30. So just write 30 here as well. So from here to here, we times this by 2. So the top time by 2 as well. So 4 times 2 is 8. Then from 6 to 30, from this one to this one here, you times this by 5. So therefore, the top must times by 5 as well. So 5 times 5 is 25. So just write 25 out. There you go. So now we just add the numerator or the top. So 25 plus 8. So 25 plus 5 is 30. Another 3. So it's 33. Otherwise, you just do normal additions. So which is over 30. Of course, 30 over 33, both are divisible by 3. So I can simplify further. I divide by 3 on the numerator. So 33 divided by 3 is 11. 30 divided by 3 is 10. So the answer is 11 over 10. But then the 11 over 10 is improper fraction. So we just need to write in mixed numeral. So 10 go to 11 is 1. Remainder 1. So we just write 1, 10. Please stop the video and try this one yourself. So 1/4 plus 1/6. So the common denominator is 12. So just write 12 here, write 12 here. So from 4 to 12 is 3 times. So 3 times 4 is 12. So this must times by 3. So 1 times 3 is 3. And then from 6 to 12, from this to this, I times this by 2. So this times 2 as well. So 1 times 2 is 2. So now we just add the numerator. So 3 plus 2 is 5. So the answer is 5 over 12. 3/5 plus 2 over 15. So 15 is multiple of 5. So therefore, the common denominator, or the bottom if you like, must be 15. So I just write this 15 down. So from 5 to 15 is 3 times. So you times this by 3. So the top must times by 3. So 3 times 3 is 9. And then from 15 to 15, I didn't do anything, so I just write this out, so which is 2. So that means we just add 9 and 2. So 9 plus 2 is 11. So 11 over 15. And I cannot simplify any further. So now 2 over 9 add 7 over 12. So to do this, so 9 and 12, the common denominator is 36. Otherwise, we just list them out like this. 12, 24, 36. Just list the multiple of 12. So which is 48 and 60 and so on. Then we list the 9. So 9, 18, 27, 36. We stop here because 36. So this means that the bottom must be 36. So I just write 36 down here first. So now from 9 to 36, we times this by 4. Because 4 times 9 is 36. So the top must times by 4. So 2 times 4 is 8. And then from 12 to 36, so which is from here to here, you times this by 3. So the top must times by 3. So 3 times 7 is 21. So we just add the numerator. So which is 8 plus 21. So which is 29 over 36. Last one. So 5 over 8 at 1 over 6. So the common denominator is 24. Because if you list them out, 8 list the largest number. So which is 8, 16, 24. Because 24 is multiple of 6 as well. So we stop there. So that means denominator must be 24. I just write 24 down first. So from 8 to 24, we times this by 3. So top must times by 3. So 5 times 3 is 15. And then from 6 to 24, from here to here, we times this by 4. So the top must times by 4 as well. So 1 times 4 is 4. So now we just add the numerators together. So which is the top here. 15 plus 4 is 19. So the answer is 19 over 24. Thank you so much for watching.